Coconut Oil Face Scrub. This face scrub is especially good for those with dry facial skin, since it contains coconut oil. Coconut oil is considered to be very moisturizing because of the medium-chain triglycerides that deeply penetrate the skin and deliver moisture to the skin cells. This face scrub provides gentle exfoliation, so it is suitable for the sensitive skin. Face scrub recipe. Take a plastic storage container and add 1/4 cup of soft brown sugar in it. Now, add 1/4 cup of creamy or fractionated coconut oil and 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix all the ingredients, and at the end, stir in 5 drops of lavender essential oil. The face scrub is ready. Store it in a cool and dry place. How to use. Take about 1 teaspoon of the scrub, and using your clean fingers, gently scrub it on your wet face, minute. Once you've finished, rinse off your face, and pat dry. Use moisturizer if needed. The benefits of the ingredients. Vitamin E oil contains vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. It protects the skin from premature aging, and extends the shelf life of the scrub. It also helps heal blemishes, and gives the skin some nice moisturization. Brown sugar has a gentle abrasive texture, so it can safely slough off impurities and dead skin cells. Lavender essential oil is famous for its soothing properties. It calms sensitive skin, reduces inflammation, and keeps the skin moisturized.